Maligo tayo sa Pacific Ocean. Sinong gustong sasama? Not the alon, it's like the current. I like this one, guys. It's like, for me, it's therapeutic. The sound of it is very therapeutic. The only downside is because of the water is very salty. It makes your skin and hair like sticky. But I'm fine with it. Free hairspray, like salt water hairspray. Right? No matter what you put in your hair, serum, conditioner, you're just getting the air. The air is so salty. Humidity of the air is so salty. That's make it so sticky. Woohoo! Grabe. I never seen like this before. Diyan na siya, guys. Umabot sa lakas. The sound of it is like roaring like a thunder. Like that, in real. I don't know if the phone, I'm just using my phone, it gives justice to the sound and the view of it, but it's beautiful. I like it. It's free therapy. For me, it's a free therapy. You can shout in here, pour down all your worries and frustration and everything else, and let the current take it away. And so yes, it can help. For me lang ha, it can help.